Okay, so picture this. Kia just officially revealed a new wagon. It's stylish. It's loaded with that new panoramic screen tech. And honestly, it looks significantly better than the sedan version it's based on. But here's the kicker. It's being built right down in Mexico. But as of right now, Kia hasn't confirmed it for buyers here in North America. This is the 2027 Kia K4 Sportswagon. It's basically the estate version of the new K4 that's replacing the Forte. And yeah, it is definitely leaning hard into those European tastes for long roofs. Visually, this thing is sharp. It's using Kia's Opposites United design language, and it just works better here. Interestingly, it's actually about half an inch shorter lengthwise than the sedan, but because of the roofline, it looks way more substantial. It's got cleaner lines, that really distinct D-pillar, and hidden rear door handles that give it a super sleek profile. If you grab the GT line version, you get the usual blacked out trim and more aggressive bumpers, which definitely helps the vibe. Now, it is a wagon, so we have to talk utility. You get about 604 liters of cargo space. That's roughly 21 cubic feet with the seats up. That is a solid number. Way more than the hatchback, but if we're nitpicking, it's not quite class-leading compared to some of the VW wagons they get over in Europe. But where Kia is really pushing this thing is the interior experience. It feels less like a utility hauler and more like a modern tech lounge. It's got the same setup as the sedan. That massive panoramic display across the dash, wireless phone integration, the digital key, so your phone unlocks the car, and even streaming services baked right into the infotainment. It feels very current. Under the hood, globally at least, it's launching with a mix of smaller 1-liter and 1.6-liter turbo gas engines, some with mild hybrid tech, mostly hooked up to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Kia says a full hybrid is coming later down the line, but really, the main spec sheet doesn't matter as much as the availability map. It is confirmed for Europe later this year. But we are still waiting to hear from Kia America if this handsome Mexico-built wagon is actually heading north to us. We're kind of starved for good. Affordable wagons here, and this one seems like a no-brainer. Hopefully, they make the right call. Drop a comment down below. If they brought this to the States, would you take it over a standard compact crossover? That's it for this quick update. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one, and thanks for watching.